Hi, Miss Zaza. How are you?
Morning, Mr. Lee. I'm fine, thank you.
You look very nice today.
You make me feel embarrassed, Mr. Lee. What can I do for you?
Actually, Miss Zaza, is it Mr. Zhang busy today?
Wait a while, Mr. Lee. I will check his schedule first.
Okay, Miss Zaza, take your time.
Okay, Mr. Lee. Mr. Zhang now have a meeting with client, but after 12 he's free.
Miss Zaza, can you do a favor for me to make appointment with Mr. Zhang this afternoon?
Hiya, Mr. Lee. I thought you want me to do what? Make me feel awkward, you know.
Just one joking with you. Please arrange for me, okay? Thank you.
It's okay, welcome. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Zara. Any appointment for me after this?
Yes, you have appointment with Mr. Lee.
Okay, tell Mr. Lee to come to my office after lunch hour.
Okay, boss. Mr. Lee, Mr. Zhang said you can come to his office after lunch hour.
Okay, Miss Zaza. Thanks a lot.
Small matter, sir.
Yes, come in please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Zhang.
Good afternoon. Mr. Lee, please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, can I help you?
It's quite an urgent favor that I want to ask you.
Yes, I hear it. Go on.
I heard that last year we are making a loss again. Is that true?
Yes, that was shown in draft copy of account Mr. T gave to me.
But I can accept it!
Why, Mr. Lee? For me, a loss in 2 years is quite common for a new company.
Maybe to you it's common, but my provincial capital will question me. Why all my joint venture company under me not making any money?
Be cool, Mr. Lee. We have done our best to this company. Based on what Mr. T said, we lost just because we not have sufficient logs to fit into the operation.
Can you trust that foreign accountant? They are all same. Like to make an account showing a loss to avoid paying tax.
It's not true. It's not necessary. If your company making loss, there is still possibility that you have to pay tax after net profit. The tax computation will add the non-allowable expenses such as depreciation, entertainment. But if the non-allowable expenses is big amount, your company end up by paying tax.
Nonsense, Mr. Zhang, nonsense! I want to change the profit and loss figure to show a profit.
Do you know what the consequence if we change the financial statement, Mr. Lee?
Let go of the consequence. All I want is just to change it.
But I still want you to know it. If we change it, we can possibly let Mr. T lose their practice license. I can't do that to him. That's one of the effect. Other, it can affect the reputation of the company. It will reflect the true and fair view of the financial position of the company.
Come on, Mr. Zhang. I have done a lot for this company. This is very simple thing that you can do for me.
Okay, I will see what I can do. I will talk to Mr. T as soon as possible I can.
I hope you better do that, Mr. Zhang. See you next time.
Who's that? Please come in. Oh, Mr. T, please have a seat.
Thank you. So, is there any problem, Mr. Zhang?
You are right. It is quite a serious matter that I have to discuss with you.
So, how can I help you, Mr. Zhang?
Before that, I would like you to know what do you think about Mr. Lee as a person.
He is an ambitious and helpful guy. Why do you ask?
What I mean is he helpful for the company? Does his contribution seem not enough?
Yes, I give him credit for helping with the company registration matters. Then he also helps in the refund of the value-added tax. And the unforgettable moment, he went to Changchun and Beijing to sort out the value-added tax refund for us, which is amounting to RMB 3 million.
Wow, I'm glad you remember all the contribution he made for the company.
But I'm so curious, is there anything wrong with him?
He had some last-minute demands that were totally unrealistic.
Unrealistic? What he wants?
Mr. Lee wants you to change the profit and loss to show a profit so that he can show to his boss in the provisional capital that he has turned the company around to a profitable state.
Why he makes such requests?
This is for his good report card because now China Civil Service going for merit system. This will let him get a fast promotion.
I think I can't fulfill his request, but this doesn't mean I don't want to help him in his career.
But I have to follow the Malaysian Accounting Standard Board as a Malaysian accountant. Under MASB 3 states that for net profit or loss for the period of fundamental errors and changes in accounting policies, so we cannot simply falsify accounting statement easily.
If you said so, I think better Mr. Lee take this issue to the board and discuss with CEO.
Okay, I think that's a good idea. I'm agree with you.
So, we will have a meeting soon. Just be prepared.
Okay then, I think I'll see you later. Thank you, Mr. Zhang.
Okay, welcome.
Okay, before the meeting start, I will distribute the minutes for you to look at.
Morning everyone.
Morning.
Before I proceed this meeting, let me introduce our new consultant, Miss Vida.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss Vida, let me introduce my management team. She is Miss Zaza, our secretary. He is Mr. Zhang, our general manager. Then Mr. T as a financial controller. Then our HR manager, Miss Shasha. And the last one is Mr. Lee as economic officer for this company. After I review this report, it shows a loss in our financial statement. what it can be happen, Mr. T?
We made loss because there's scarcity, full set of resources and capabilities needed to reach our objective. This which indicates the partnering performance objective. And we also had running out capital.
Mr. Lee,
Yes, boss.
how about our joint venture company performance?
Actually, all the joint venture companies under me are not making money. This is because we lack of communication with our partner and will ultimately lose our focus in difficult project instead of one common goal. Besides that, they too depending on me to provide instruction to the teams. Then this may lead to burnout if I am the one stuck with all the work.
After I listening all your explanation, it shows that our company is in danger position.
Boss, how about we change the profit and loss to show a profit?
No, because the financial statement must be accordance with underlying record, and we have accounting body's code of practice. And I also may lose my practice license if I change it without a basis. In addition, it will reflect the true and fair view of our financial position of the company.
So, Miss HR Manager, in your opinion, how we can improve the quality of management system regarding loss of financial statement?
In my personal thinking, firstly, we need to increase our customer satisfaction, and then we need to cut costs, and lastly, we need to reduce the amount time required to introduce the innovative product in this marketplace. All of these help firm to implement the integrated cost leadership, or what we call that differentiation strategy. Okay, by the way, if we eliminate the process which are inefficiency, the firm may offer the quality to customer at a relatively low price. As a result, our firm can maintain the competitive parity. Okay?
Mr. T, how to ensure true and fair view of financial reporting?
In order to achieve the statutory true and fair view, it is necessary not only to present certain information impartially, but this data is shown in such a way that is clearly understood by users and relevant to the business transaction.
Mr. Zhang, do you want to say something for this meeting?
Yes, I just want to say that I will direct and coordinate organization financial and reconstruct activities within the budget to solve the shortage fund. At the same time, I will identify the significant areas that should be reduced and look up the program for the improvements.
Based on the explanation given by Mr. T, we cannot simply change the financial statement to cover up the losses. It's my responsibility for the overall success of an entire organization. Besides that, I'm the CEO, must to ensure that we are running all the activities in the right way, which need to comply with all standard rules and procedures.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yes, I also agree with you.
Me too agree.
If so, we adjourn the meeting for today. Mr. Lee, I want all the file on my table after this.
Okay, boss. I will make sure that all that you want will be on your desk after this.
Thanks everyone, you may leave now. I have further discussion with Miss Pida. Miss Pida, do you have any suggestion on improving the effectiveness joint venture leadership team for our organisation?
Some of my recommendation for improving the functioning of the joint venture top management team. Firstly, I think we need to increase role interdependence among them. Managers must work together to solve problems. At the same time, increasing personal contact to reduce conflict and promote further collaboration. Secondly, link rewards to their performance. Compensations must link directly to their performance. This is because to encourage cooperative behavior. Thirdly, but not least, we need to develop the general managers with leadership skills. This skill is often called transformational leaders. They must have superb skills in diplomacy, cross-cultural understanding and communications.
I hope from these elements can help our organisation to overturn poor performance and make success for our international joint ventures in China. I think that's all for today. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.